Can you solve this? In my previous video, I did a video with this. And this look alike. So first of all, solution. We're going to first divide. We're going to first remove t from here. So we have 2t times 1 over t is equals to t times 1 over t. First is remove t from here. So we have what? 2 t 3 32 over t, right? And the next thing is what? Remove 32 from here. So we have 2 1 times 1 over 32 equal to t 32 over t times 32. So we have 1 times 1 over 32 is equal to t 1 over 32. My previous video, I said when it comes to this place, you look for a number that when it's multiplied, when it's raised to the power this base, when it's raised to the power this, it gives you the same number as when being multiplied by the denominator. Now, for example, this is it. 2. This is it. 2 raised to the power 1 times 1 over 32 is equal to 2 raised to the power t. Right? Now, if we use 2 raised to the power 2 over 2 times 1 over 32, now let me explain further. If you use 2, this is the 2 raised to the power 1 times 1 over 32 equal to t raised to the power t. Let me explain what I said, that you need a number when raised to the power 2. It gives you the same number when multiplied by a denominator. So this is 2. 2 over 2 times 1 over 32. 2 raised to the power. 2 raised to the power 2 is what? 4. 1 over 64. Now, you can see that t here will be 4, right? And t here will be 64. It cannot go. If you try 4, 2 raised to the power 4 over 4 times 1 over 32. 2 raised to the power 4 is what? 16. 32 times 4, 8. So 1 to 8. You have you can see that this t is 16. This t here is 128. Can you see it? You keep trying. You keep trying until you get the one that the two numbers will give you the exact when raised to the power and when multiplied by the denominator. And what to give you that is 8. 2 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 8 over 8 times 1 over 32 equal to t 1 over t. Now 2 raised to the power 8 1 over 8 times 1 over 32 equal to 3 raised to 1 over 2. And this will give us 2 raised to the power 8 is 256 bracket 1 over 256. And you can see that t, the base is what? T is equal to what? 256. It corresponds with what? T here is equal to what? 256. Therefore, t is equal to 256. This is the answer. Thank you.